In a quiet little tailor's shop at the edge of the village lived a spool of golden thread and a humble steel needle. Every morning, the tailor would open the box, and together, the needle and thread would bring fabrics to life, stitching dresses, mending tears, and creating beauty from scraps. One day, the golden thread grew proud of its shine. It glimmered in the sunlight and said with pride, "Look how bright I am. People admire me, praise my color, and pay dearly for me. You, needle, you're cold, dull, and sharp. All you do is poke holes." The needle said nothing. The thread continued, "I'm the one who shows. I dance across cloth, I hold patterns together. You hide beneath, invisible. You be nothing without me." The needle finally replied, softly, "Perhaps. But tell me, can you sew even one stitch alone?" The thread paused. It had never thought of that. Just then, the tailor came and picked up the two. With practiced hands, he threaded the needle and began sewing a beautiful gown. The needle pierced the fabric, guiding the thread gently through every loop and curve. The thread followed, shaping art, but never on its own. After the work was done, the gown shimmered in the light. The golden thread glowed, but it was the quiet needle that had made every step possible. That evening, the thread whispered, "I'm sorry. I see now, we're only complete together." The needle smiled. "We each have our part. Neither glory nor grace matters more than purpose. True strength lies in unity, not pride. Even the brightest need guidance, and even the humblest have power."